Hey everyone, and welcome to this bands plus booty workout. So today's workout is going to be designed around one fabric band and then one loop of latex resistance band. Now, you may not have both of these and that's totally fine, so use what you can. And then just know that these thicker the bands are, the less they move around. So that's why they can be really helpful. Plus, they don't break as easily, so they're a good investment. And I'll link them below for you. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So you're gonna place the thicker band around your legs, all the way up mid-thigh, okay? Separate your feet apart there. Good, exhale, squat, and then come up. So again, this is medium resistance if you have a couple of these bands and are just squatting down and standing up. So we're really just warming up the lower body. Today's not focused on squats. Good, let's do 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, tap in and out, tap in and out. So I want you to go slow and I want you to reach your leg as far as you can away from you. Good. Let's do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then switch sides. Ground your foot, bring it in and out. Good. So I'm really pulling with the outside of my glutes. I'm stabilizing with my opposite leg to keep me centered. Good. 8, 7, push through it. 6, 5, keep my pace. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now, stay real low here. Big step out, hold it, step together. Good, big step out, hold, step together. Repeat, hold, together. Good, hold, together. So find that pull, isolate the hold, bring it in. Good, out, together. Step apart, together. Step apart. 4 more, so it's out, 1, out, 1. Good, reach, bring it in. You should feel that in the back of the booty. Reach, bring it in. 2 more total. Big step, good job. Reach, 1 more time right here. Reach, together, and hold, bring it back. Good, let's go to our hands and our knees. So, keeping that thick band around your legs, you're gonna ground your feet, ground your hands. Try not to bend your elbows and then push up. So tuck, press, tuck, press, tuck, press, tuck. Feel the back of that glute. Nice. 8, 7, 6, stay centered. 5, 4, 3, 2, and switch sides. Good. Press up, up. Good. Up, up. Strong in your core. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, last 2, and 1. Good. Now bring your knee out and in, out and in. Way to work. Lift and lower, lift and lower. 8, together. 7, ground your hands. 6, we move slow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Reach it out and in, out, it should burn. Good, reach, together, reach. Let's do 8, give me 8, together. 7, together. 6, come on guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, now we're going straight back. So I want you to push your foot straight back behind you versus up to the sky, okay? Let's do 8, 7, you should be on fire. 6, 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, one more time, push it back, hold it, 3, 2, 1, switch sides, good, press. So again, with these thicker bands, they're a little harder, but they stay in place, which is so nice as you do that work. Nice job. 8, 7, 6, 5, big push, 4, 3, last 2, 1. Good job, guys. Now, lay on your right side for me into this little clam-like shake, we call this, shoulder down. Now you can prop yourself up if you want, just make sure your hips stay forward and they're not rolling back. Feet together, lift, lift, lift. Good, so your work is happening right here and it should burn. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Sit up slowly, switch sides. So lay your shoulder down. Same thing, knees to chest. And again, you can do more of these if you want. Lift, lift. So I went running earlier, so this is a nice little stabilizer for my hips. After a run, getting a nice resistance band workout pairs perfect with cardio. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Now lay on your back, keeping that same resistance band on. Remember, it's mid-thigh the whole time. Separate your feet, lift your hips up slowly. Good. Now pull one knee to the chest. So march, 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 march. Good. 8, march, 7, march, 6, stabilize those hips, 5, good work, 4, good, 3, stabilize, 2, and then give me 1 and 1. Nice job, guys. Now, what I want you to do is come to the pinky toe edge of your feet so that your big toes are off the ground and you're kind of supinating your feet. Come up. Good, come up. Press up. So it's like the bottoms of your feet are touching, your knees are splaying to the sides as you press up. Good, you've got 8, 7, stay on the pinky toe edge, 6, 5, there's a burn, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Now, take that band off for me, and then we're gonna put on the other band at our shins, okay? So you're gonna feel a little bit different as that band comes on. Slide it around your mid shins. Good, in between your knee and your ankle, all right? So we call that mid shin region. Now, back to squats like we started. So the pull is a little different based on A, the band, and B, the placement, okay? Good. These are just warming up those legs. 8, 7. So if you only have this band or you only have the other band, maybe try a different size. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now, squat low. Good. Big step together. Now, range of motion, much less. Big step together. Feeling a different kind of pull. Feeling a stabilizer through the whole legs here. Good. Together. Over. Together. 4 more total. So it's out. Together. Bring it back. 1. Out. Together. Bring it back. 2 more. Out. Together. Bring it back. 1 more. Out. Together. Bring it back. Hold. Good job. Now, lateral step outs, just like before. tap, bring it in. Now these are harder than when that band was around your thighs. You have to work to stabilize the knee. Feel it right here. 8, together. 7, together. 6, let it burn. 5, nice job. 4, now I have a few other videos on here that combine some of these movements, but this one is really focused directly for the glutes, okay? Nice, switch sides. Ready, set, let's go, squat. I have another one that's about 10 minutes that's pretty glute centered as well, but again, a little shorter, and you only use one band the whole time. 8, 7, 6, you feel that. 4, don't give up. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now from here, go ahead, bring it to plank. So bring your hands down, step your feet back. Exhale, pelvis forward. Good, engage your core for me here. You're gonna jump your feet out and in as you hold. Good, get that heart rate up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, lift, 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 lift. Really focus that butt, reach up. Now do 2 and 2. Good, 2. Good, and 2. One more each side, 2 and 2. Good work, guys. Push back, tiptoe forward. Exhale, fold, tiptoe back. Now, with this band, this is a tight one, okay? I'm really, really working my glutes, my hamstrings right here to stay focused as much as I can, keeping resistance the whole time, but not overdoing it, okay? 2 more. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Good job. Fold. Again, another one of my videos has these tiptoes, but we work with wider legs, so different muscle groups. Last one, tiptoe. Woof, and done. Take that band off, guys. Nice job. Quick little banded workout for you. Again, use just one heavy latex band, one medium band when it comes to the fabric. I'll link these below for you so you have a few options of different ones to buy. If you have any questions about the movements, let me know. Again, I went on a run right before this, so what I pretty much did was just use the muscles that I broke down from my run, brought them back, re-engage my core, and hopefully my hips and my glutes feel good and ready to go again soon. Thanks so much for working out with me, guys, and I'll see you again soon.